Spending too much time estimating? Change that with Electric Ease, the all-in-one electrical estimating and bid management software created by electricians for electricians. Built on cloud technology, Electric Ease lets you calculate and access information from the office or job site and effectively collaborate with your team. Just log in, watch our training videos, and bid your first job within an hour of purchasing your membership. It's that easy. Electric Ease helps you save time by streamlining your bidding process and improving communication. Update labor, materials, and overhead in real time to better manage projects. Streamline alternate bids, track change orders, save time with estimate duplication, and send your bids with just one click. Manage material costs by connecting live distributor pricing directly to your software, driving profit with increased bid accuracy and reduced errors. Electric Ease puts an end to spreadsheets and paperwork with the most intuitive, most powerful cloud-based bid management process in the industry. Scale your business effortlessly with Electric Ease, impressing your customers not only with your work, but also with your customer service. Transform the way you do business, work smarter, and stay ahead of the competition with Electric Ease. Call us today for a free demo.